We'll now begin the installation of the MeasureColor client to the measurement PC. The easiest way to do this is to open a web browser on the computer where you want to install the software and enter your MeasureColor server address into the address bar. Logging in is not required. Simply click the link that says download the MeasureColor client and then the green link that will begin downloading to your local computer. The file is of some size, so it might take a moment to download, but because it's inside your network, it should not take more than a few minutes at most. This file is so large because it contains all the application software and instrument drivers we require to connect to all the different devices you may want to use. Once the download has completed, you can click the application at the bottom in your download bar to open it and begin the installer. Once the installer unpacks, you may be prompted by Windows if you wish to allow this installation to proceed. Please click Yes if you get this prompt. And then the installer will begin. Your first step is to press the Next button and accept the license terms and conditions. You'll now choose which instruments you wish to use. For the variable Spectro 1, we only need to check this option at the bottom, and the other ones can be unchecked as they then do not slow down your computer. You can then press Next, and this screen you can also press Next because you don't need to add in any of these files. You then complete by pressing Install. In the event that a dialog pops up behind the installer, you may need to click behind to bring the dialog to the front so that you can press the Next button and continue that installation. Once the installer is complete, the MeasureColor software will automatically launch and begin the first run installation setup. You can now close your web browser as it may be in front of the application. Step 1 of the first run is to give the server address into the client computer. You'll uncheck Use Local Host and edit the server address here in this field, remembering to include the :3000 to match the server address that you'll be connecting to. After this is complete, press Next. You'll now choose which instrument you'll be connecting. In this example, I'll be enabling the variable Spectro 1, so I'll go ahead and check it and press Finish. I'm now brought to the login screen where I can enter my credentials and log into the software.